Pure water.
Sir? Sure you get cold one, right?
Yes, sir.
Ella.
Honey, is this you? Hey, honey, is this you?
My love.
Honey. Hey.
My love.
Honey, you're back. Hi. Honey, I've missed you.
Wait. Baby, what are you doing looking like this? What are you doing here?
Honey, it's your mother. She said that I should be selling pure water so that I will raise money for my antenatal.
My mother.
Yes, honey.
You are selling pure water?
Yes.
In your condition?
Yes.
Baby, what's going on?
I understand. She said you don't have money, that I should be selling pure water so that I'll be helping myself.
My mother told you that I don't have money?
Yes.
My own mother? Jesus Christ. Baby, why have you not been calling me? And why have I not been able to reach you for the past 4 months?
Hey, baby, she seized my phone.
Smith.
Yes.
Can you believe what I'm hearing?
You mean your wife?
This is my wife that I've been telling you about. The reason I had to cut my trip short and come home because I've not been able to communicate with her.
Now, wow. Some women are mean, you know.
Can you imagine what my own mother has done to my wife? Telling my wife that I have no money. Can you believe this?
Wow.
In fact, you know what? Let's just not stand here for too long.
Let me carry the water.
No. Leave this thing. Get into the car. Let's go. I can't believe this.
Sorry, madam.
Sir,
Let's just leave.
please, take me home. Leave me.
Wow. But why, some women are very, very mean, though. Eh?
It's unbelievable. Mama.
Hey, brother is back. Brother.
My son.
You're welcome.
Mama.
How are you, my son? You didn't even tell us that you are coming back.
I decided to come and surprise you.
Hey, you are full of surprise.
Yes.
I swear, brother, you're looking
Mama, good
very
afternoon.
handsome.
Hey,
Mama, you remember my friend Smith? He visited us then when we were still boys.
Yes. Now, how is your family?
Mama, we're fine. Thank God. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
Where's my wife?
Your wife, Ada?
Yes.
She went out. She went for antenatal.
Yes.
Antenatal?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, brother. She went for antenatal.
Is everything okay?
Yes.
Everything
You
is
know,
fine.
today is Wednesday. She liked to go to antenatal.
Yes.
So why didn't one of you go with her? You left her to go alone.
But she don't like people following her.
Exactly.
She said that her time is not yet.
Exactly. Your wife has big head. Like, she don't like someone talking to her at all. Yes.
Telling you.
She left though before we could, just come out. We noticed that she have disappeared. Like, she went to Atlanta. We just even me and Mama that suspected that maybe she went to the hospital.
Been going alone?
Yes, she has been going alone.
Like we said earlier, she don't like anyone to follow her at all. Yes. That your wife.
Okay. That phone you bought for her, eh? If you see where she throw it inside the soccer pit,
she will tie it with waterproof.
Every time. I don't know as the gate.
Why would she be doing it?
I don't know. We don't know. That is,
She
sometimes
just
she
dey
be acting as if there is they casted a spell on her or something like that. Thank God you came back so that we tell you everything your wife has been doing. That your wife used to act like someone that have a
mental problem.
Exactly, Mama, mental problem.
Okay. It's all right. Let me get something from the car.
I was thinking whether you come back with something. You come
Somebody that came back from Obodo, you boys.
You bought a lot of goodies.
Are you serious?
A lot of
But let me come and help you
Let
now.
me call John to come and help and carry this.
Forget
thing.
about John.
No, it's okay. We don't need John.
You don't need John.
It's okay. That means you got a lot of things. Mama. Brother.
Would you believe it?
Brother, yes.
My wife.
You saw her on the way coming back from the hospital, right?
No. I saw her on the way hawking pure water. So can you people explain to me why my wife is busy on the streets of this city selling water?
I'm telling you, there is nothing I cannot see for you, this girl.
I don't
So you used to carry bath and go and sell pure water upon all the things. Miracle, see the egg and the indomie that you prepared
and
for
the
her.
tea. I added tea on top. I kept for her to take.
Miracle, shut up your mouth before I give you a dirty slap here. Honey, repeat what you told me. in their presence?
She said you are broke, that I should be selling pure water so that I can be able to raise my antenatal money.
Mama, you told my wife that I am broke. So what happened to all the money that I've been sending?
Brother, the thing is, the money you used to send it was never enough.
Miracle,
Mama,
if you speak one more time, if you say any nonsense here again, I promise you I will forget my hand on your face.
Sorry, sir.
Just that you don't want to listen to me. I told you that I don't like this girl. I don't like this girl.
Mama, I
have a girl that I want you to marry.
Chioma.
Obedient
I was
girl.
aware, brother.
You can't carry this
Since
thing.
when? Are we still on that topic, Mama? After how many years? After how many years? Smith, can you imagine my mother? You are still on the topic of a girl you wanted me to marry after I have married somebody else. She's pregnant, carrying my child. Don't you have a conscience? How can you do this to a woman that is carrying your own grandchild?
Brother, you should have married Chioma. Married Chioma.
Just a simple thing.
I said
Don't touch my daughter. Don't touch my daughter.
So okay, that is the reason you are frustrating my wife. The one that I chose to marry, you are frustrating her because she was not your choice. Mama, this is wicked. You should have, if you had no feelings for her, you should have had some feelings for the child that she's carrying. That is my own child.
How are you sure that is your child? Is your child?
Goodness.
How are you
oh my
sure?
Goodness. Okay, you know what? Since both of you have decided that this house is so important, that my money is so important for you, you two should go ahead. Enjoy the house. Yes, I'm taking my wife away from here. I'll go and rent another apartment and we will live in peace. You guys can stay here alone. But just know that you cannot call me to send you anything henceforth. I don't want to see you near me. This is the end of our relationship as a family.
My son, you cannot say that. Okay, see, let's move.
Let's go.
Ada, you know we love you so much.
You're not giving me my
just
school
come back
fees,
now.
my school fees.
Me talk. Ada, come back. We love you.
my school fees.
We cannot eat the house now. There is nothing in the house again.
Mama, my school fees, are you going to give it?
Shut up your mouth to you, this girl. Go. You see the money you sent for us. It's
after
almost
everything I've done for you, even if Mama,
my son, I'm your mother. Oh, I give birth to you.
Mama, don't talk to me.
You know that I love you so much now. How can you go? Please just consider us again. Brother, now, my son, you're a disgrace. You're the one that chased this girl. You don't like this girl for one piece.
Mama, it's you. When I was telling you that brother will come back one day, you said I should shut up. Now it's now my fault.
You see? I did bring that.
Mama, better give me my school fees. Oh, better give me my school fees. That money you used to tie in a bag and bring it and give to me. Oh, Mama.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.